today we're going to continue with the installation of the ape hangers, and what's left with is essentially the wiring. So I'm going to try to hook up the wires on this side, as well as we need to drill a hole so that this cluster fits properly. Let's check it out. Okay, so the problem that we have with this cluster is that when we open it up, see this little tooth right here? It doesn't line up with the hole that's on there already. So we're going to need to widen that hole quite a bit actually, because it seems like the spot it needs to be in is right here. So we'll need to drill it there and install things properly. So let's mark it and drill it. Okay, I drilled the new hole for the thing to fit in, and now we're going to mount the cluster back, the handlebar, the counterweight, and then we're going to continue on with the wiring. Okay, and here it is with the button cluster mounted, solid. Everything feels comfortable, we're good. Okay, so now we're going to keep going with the wiring. I took a quick look at the left side, and we have 10 cables here, and on the right side we have 5. So I'm going to do the right side first. What I'm thinking is, once I extend the cable, I'm going to actually tuck it along the bar, like so, maybe even from the top. So tuck it along the bar down to here, and then connect it down here. In terms of how I'm going to connect it, I'm thinking to just cramp the cable extensions at the top, and then at the bottom I'll make the cable a bit longer so it tucks down here. What I'll do is, to this end, I'm going to attach the connectors. Since these are 5, I think I can just use a single 6-pin connector. That way I can unplug it and do maintenance on things without having to cut cables again. And I think that would work out better. On the other side, since there's 10 cables, that might be a little bit more difficult. I might need to do 2 connectors down here and split this cable up into 2. But we'll see, we'll get to that. Let's do the right side first. Alright, so I opened up the heat shrink over here, and we have a black red, a yellow green, a orange black, a black blue, and a orange white. Lots of different colors. I happen to have a kit of 6 colors, so what I'm thinking is the black red I'm going to map to red, the black blue I'm going to do blue, the yellow green I'm going to do yellow, and then the orange black I'll do black, and the orange white I'll do white. And to attach them, I'm going to use these crimpers. Just crimp them together, extend them, measure out how much we need in order to tuck the cable in nicely down to here, and then we'll deal the bottom. Okay, we have the cables extended. Now we're just going to measure up. If we were to tuck them in like this, and down, and then pretty much down like that, how long I need. I'm going to clip them, install a connector, a 6-pin connector on the other end, and then electrical tape wrap the whole thing, so it's a nice black, clean look. Okay, here we go, the cable's extended, and we have a 6-pin connector at the end. So the idea is that it will tuck in like so, and it'll kind of fit in like that. I still haven't decided if I want to fish it through the pipe, but that can be done later. Next, let's set up this end and put the 6-pin male connector on this end, so we can actually connect them. Okay, we have the other side on a 6-pin connector. Now we just gotta connect them and tuck them away. And this side is done. Moving on to the next side. Okay, so this is the 10 wires on the other side. We have a yellow white, a yellow, a white, a black, a light green, a light blue, 2 black and yellow ones, a black and white, and a black and blue. So that's quite a bit of colors. I only have 6 colors and 10 wires. 2 of them are the same, so 9 wires technically, and 6 colors. So what I'll plan on doing is black is black, blue is blue, white is white, yellow is yellow. So that takes care of 4. Green, I'm going to do green. And then I have these 4 colors. For the yellow white, I think I'm going to do a yellow as well, but I'm going to mark it. The black yellow ones, we're going to do black. And for the blue and white ones over here, we can do, actually no, for these ones we're going to do red, because they're the same. For these we're going to do white and blue and mark them. Alright, cables are all extended. I grouped them into 2 parts. So the longer part is kind of the ones that are the basic colors. These ones are all going to need to be adjusted in some sort of way. And I plan on putting these on a separate 6-pin connector. And also what I'll do is these ones, the 6-pin connector on this side will be the male, but on these ones the 6-pin connector will be female, so that it'll be pretty obvious which one to plug into where down there. So let's get that going. Then we're going to set these guys up to match the pin connectors, and then wrap it all up, and we should test after that. Alright, so our cables are extended. We have 2 6-pin connectors, and on the other end 2 6-pin connectors, again of the opposite type, so that we know which one goes where. I'm just going to route it now, plug it in, and we're going to test it. Okay, everything's tucked in, no connectors are visible. I'm not sure I like how this is looking with the electrical tape out here, so I might just drill the bars further and route the cables through them. We'll see, but that's a job for another day. For now, let's actually test it. So, get the ignition. Okay, so we have headlight, high beam works, blinker, that one works, signal here works, that works, cancel, the other one works, horn, the flasher, that works. Okay, so then the only thing that we need to test now is neutral, and I gotta squeeze the clutch. Okay, bike fires up, it idles, it revs, so it works. I'm gonna take it for a quick little spin around the garage over here. Okay guys, that was it. for this episode. Handlebars are fully set up. The front brake works really well. The throttle is very responsive. I do need to adjust the clutch, however. Right now the friction point is like right about here. So all of this is just doing nothing. So I'll just need to adjust it further, make it a little bit easier to deal with. But other than that, this is done. Very happy with it. It really feels like a big bike when you ride it, but it's pretty awesome once you get it up to speed. That was it. Make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications when new videos become available. We have more videos coming with the Saber. Make sure to check me out on Instagram at FalconMoto2018. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.